Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by wearing the Moby like a cross. Find the center tag and place it at your sternum, making sure the fabric is flat and untwisted. Once done, spread both panels wide over your shoulders and cross them behind your back, bringing the ends forward under your arms. Make sure to hold the center steady so the wrap forms a secure X across your chest. You're starting the carry now, so keep movements deliberate and check that fabric lies smooth to avoid pressure points. Next, lift baby onto your chest with one hand supporting the neck and the other guiding their bottom into the pouch you've made. Make sure baby sits high and close with knees at or above hip level. Spread the fabric knee to form a deep ergonomic seat. Once positioned, pull the crossed panels firmly under the baby's bottom and around to your back and tie a double knot. This creates even support and keeps their spine and hips in a safe, natural position. Finish by tightening each shoulder panel to remove slack, using small pulls and smoothing fabric to eliminate twists. Once done, perform the cuddle test. Baby's head should be high enough to kiss. Ensure their airway is clear with chin off chest and a visible face. If something feels off, pause, loosen the panels, respread the fabric under knees, and ready the knot securely. This troubleshooting step fixes common issues. Repeat adjustments until the wrap is snug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.